Namaste and welcome to day 10 of Mindful 30 journey. Well, it is 10 days now. This is amazing. I'm feeling excited. Let me know, what are you guys feeling? Well, today's practice is about awareness. So with that, let's get into it. Sit up in a very comfortable position, wherever you find a comfort. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders and chest. Join your palms at heart center. And as you stay here, just stop in this time and try to scan your whole body from top to bottom. See, what are you feeling? Try to take your awareness in every corner of your body possible. Observe the rise and fall in the belly as you're breathing. Observe the connection between the tip of the fingertips. Observe the connection between the fabric and the skin that is caressing towards each other. And all these small basic things that you can scan into your body and dive deeper into the awareness journey. Let's together chant Om sound. After the next inhalation, inhale. Today's day, I'm going to be the most aware version of myself, and this is a constant practice that I will try not just on my mat but also off and beyond the mat. Slowly relax your hands and open your eyes. This is amazing. Let's start with gentle awareness. You're going to just drop your right side, neck on the right side, let both the shoulders down. We did a very amazing heating practice yesterday, which was sun salutation practice, Surya Namaskar practice, and I hope you enjoyed that practice. Today, the idea is to be aware of everything that you're feeling. If you have any soreness, if you have any areas of tension, inhale, get your head up and change sides. If you have any areas of tiredness, lethargicness, stress, just be aware of them. Don't judge anything. Don't try to change anything. Just try to notice them and be aware of their existence. Slowly head back center. Take your head up. Breathe. Slowly head back center, chin to chest and stay. Slowly head back center. From here, we'll start with tabletop, all fours. And here, just curl your toes, lift up both the knees just a little bit, shift the weight on the hands a little bit, engage your core and just stay here. Keeping your face relaxed, shoulders relaxed, and try to see, what are you feeling right now. Try to be aware of every muscle that is being actively used, every muscle that is passively supporting you. In the same way, try to be aware of in your life things that are supporting you for your well-being, people that are supporting you for your well-being. And slowly relax the knees, arch your back, and just take your head and the hips both on the left side. Slowly head and the hips to the right side. Slowly take your left hand ahead, right leg back and lift it off the floor. Find the balance and with control and coordination, bring both the knees and elbows together and away. Together and away. If you want to add a little challenge, you can lift the left knee teeny tiny bit off the floor by curling your toes. And see if you want to add that challenge for yourself. I'm going to do it on my knees today. And slowly release. Other side, take your right hand ahead, left leg back. Together and away. Together. I am aware of how I'm moving. I am aware of my breathing. I'm aware of my emotions. And I'm aware of myself and my surrounding. Slowly release. That was amazing. Just move your hip to the right. Move your hip to the left. Come back center. Now we're going to do knee circle. So you're going to take your right knee up and just circle it. Good big circle. Just 5 rounds. Good. 2 more. Bigger. 1 more. And now reverse it. Yes. Good. 2 more. Bigger and slower. 1 more. Now keep the knees on the side. Straighten the legs. Almost there. Shift the weight on the left hand and breathe. Hold it. Hold it. Almost there. And 1. Same thing on the other side. Big circle. 5 times. Slow, big. 3rd. And reverse. Nice. I'm aware of the muscles that I can feel right now. To the side. Straighten. Shift the weight on the right hand and breathe. Stay. Bring a smile on your face. You're doing amazing. And release. Whew. That was really good. Close your eyes and breathe. If you put intention and efforts into even the smallest movements that you do, all these practices can become super powerful for you if you put all the intention in it. And if you choose to put no intention in it, however powerful the practice is, it might not end up leaving any effect on you, any feel on you. Observe the heart rate, observe your breathing. And as you are observing, let's keep moving. So from here, you're going to go into downward facing dog. From here, all we have to do is roll chin to chest and go ahead into upward facing dog. Squeeze your glutes and slowly release your body down. Keep your hands off and relax the toes down and stay. 10, 9, push your belly onto the floor and let it help you lift higher. 8, 7, shoulder blades in and down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, slowly release. That is amazing. One more time, lift up, stay. 5, shoulder blades in and together. 4, 3, 2, and 1, release. I'm just going to make a little space for myself. From here, I'm just going to release my forehead down, bend both the knees, and grab onto the ankles and push them to the hips. Squeeze the glutes and just tuck the tailbone in and stay here. Slowly pull the toes away from you and let it lift you up higher into the practice. Higher, up, 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 up. Have a good smile on your face. Wherever you are, just breathe it, enjoy it. Slowly get back. We're going to do it one more time. Inhale and lift up. Hold it. 5, 4, smile, enjoy it. 3, you're doing it for yourself and no one else. So I don't see a reason for you to not enjoy the process. 2, and 1. Slowly release. That is amazing. Breathe. That's good. Slowly come up. We're going to come into plank position on the elbows. Okay, so now you can choose to stay here or you can add this dynamic movements with me. So you just have to come up into plank and go down into plank. Yes, up, higher plank and low plank. Let's do it together. 10, down, 9, down, 8, down, Woo! 7, down. 6, down. Let's go. 5, down. Amazing. 4, down. Almost there. 3, down. Last 2. Bring a smile on your face, people. Enjoy it. Last 1, I promise. Slowly go back to elbow plank. Drop your knees. And release into child's pose. Open your knees. Make space for your chest. And just breathe. Slowly come up. That was amazing. From here, you're going to take your right hand under, left hand over, and try to lift your hand up higher and breathe. Keep your chin low, hands higher. Push your shoulder blades away from each other. Slowly release the hands and change sides. Push the shoulder blade away and breathe. Slowly release. We're going to do just one amazing shoulder stretch, one of my favorite shoulder stretches. It's the top of your shoulders, not the back of your shoulders. So you're going to go ahead, keep your hands back and drag your hips closer to your heels. You can keep adding more distance if you like. You can bend the elbows and get both elbows towards each other. Chin relax and try to bend the elbows. If you want to intensify it, you can drop your head behind. We stay here for a little while, so breathe. Slowly straighten the hands. Just one more time. Bend the elbows towards each other. Breathe. You're doing amazing. This is awesome. I am proud of myself. I'm so awesome. And I'm grateful for all the efforts I am putting. And I'm even grateful for this beautiful, positive mind and the thought process that I have that is helping me in this journey. Slowly extend. Sit up nice and tall. Close your eyes. Let the hands drop on your lap. And feel the sensations, tingling sensation in your hands. And see how your body is feeling. Give yourself a good nice hug. Tell yourself good job. Tell yourself all the things that you are proud of yourself. Share the gratitude towards the process and the journey. Join your palms at heart center. Bow down and share gratitude towards this practice. Relax. This is amazing. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And I hope you had a good time. Have a beautiful day ahead and make sure to rest before you carry on for your day. Thank you.